Magic. The Arabic word for magic is sihr. Those who indulge in witchcraft and casting spells onto others commit a major sin, since the process to do so requires belittling the Almighty to please the jinns and the shaitans. Magic also bewitches the person, making them see what is not real and believe that is untrue. Consuming Reba. Reba means interest or usury. Dealing with it is a major sin, and Allah has warned the believers against it. Snatching the property of an orphan. This is the beauty of justice Allah has maintained for everyone, including the orphans. An orphan is any child that has lost his father in his childhood and has yet not reached maturity. Consuming the wealth of an orphan has been classified as major sin, is unjust and unlawful. Accusing pious, believing and chaste women of adultery. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala threatened those who accuse chaste women of adultery to beware, as this will ruin their lives and destroy their families. This also affects society and creates a split, spreading disorder. Hence, such heinous accusations degrading the honor of good believing women will not be tolerated. Taking someone's life unjustly. Murder is a sin in itself. Killing someone unjustly will result in hellfire as the permanent place. Islam strictly prohibits such an act, as not only it creates violence, unrest, and disorder in a society. Islam encourages preserving and protecting the blood of Muslim brethren and that of non-Muslims as well. Fleeing from the battlefield. Out of the 7 major sins in Islam, one is freeing from the battlefield. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the last prophet Muhammad warned those who run away at the time of war. Shirk in Islam means placing someone equal to that of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or in other words, ascribing a partner or rival to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in lordship, worship, or in his names and attributes. Now you know which sins lead to death. Committing these sins will lead you towards death and works as a slow poison. May Allah guide us all and protect our nafs from even thinking about these sins.